Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Muhammad Sirajul Faizi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about paper 1 of IELTS examinations. Means chemistry mains syllabus of paper 1 for IELTS examinations. So in paper 1, we have atomic structure, chemical bonding, solid state, gaseous state, thermodynamics and statical thermodynamics, phase equilibria, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, photochemistry, surface phenomena and catalysis, bioinorganic chemistry, coordination chemistry, general chemistry of block elements, non-aqueous solvents. So now I will discuss about the content in atomic structure. Atomic structure contains quantum theory, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, Schrodinger wave equation, time independent, interpretation of wave function, particle in one-dimensional box, quantum number, hydrogen atom wave functions, shapes of sp and d orbitals. In chemical bonding, ionic bonds, characteristic of ionic compounds, factor affecting stability of ionic compounds, lattice energy, bond-Haber cycle, covalent bond and its general characteristic, polarities of bonds in molecules and their dipole moments, valence bond theory, concept of resonance and resonance energy, molecular orbital theory, bonding in homonuclear molecules, H2 plus H2 to nickel 2, NO, CO, HF, CN, CN minus, BH2 and CO2, comparison of valence bond and molecular orbital theories, bond order, bond strength and bond length. In solid state, forms of solid, law of constancy of interfacial angle, crystal systems, crystal classes, crystallographic groups, designations of crystal faces, lattice structure and unit cell, law of rational indices, Bragg's law, X-ray diffraction by crystal, close packing, radius ratio rule, calculation of some limiting radius ratio values, structure of sodium chloride, zinc sulfide, cesium chloride, calcium fluoride, cadmium iodide and rutile, imperfection in crystal, stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric defect, impurities defect, semiconductors, elementary study of liquid crystals. In chapter 4, gaseous state, equation of state for real gases, intermolecular interactions, liquefaction of gases and critical phenomena, Maxwell distribution of speed, intermolecular collisions, collisions on the wall and effusions. Thermodynamics and statical thermodynamics, thermodynamics system states and process work, heat and internal energy. First law of thermodynamics, work done on the system and heat absorbed in different types of process. Calorimetry energy, enthalpy change in various processes and their temperature dependence. Second law of thermodynamics, entropy as a state function, entropy changes in various processes, entropy, reversibility and reversibility, free energy functions, criteria for equilibrium, relations between equilibrium constant and thermodynamics quantity, Nernst heat theorem and third law of thermodynamics, micro and macro states, canonical assemble and canonical partition of functions, electronic, rotational, vibrational partition functions, and thermodynamics quantities, chemical equilibrium, ideal gas reactions. Phase equilibria and solution. Phase equilibria, pure substance, Clapeyron equation, phase diagram for a pure substance, phase equilibria in binary system, partially miscible liquid, upper and lower critical solutions, temperature, partial molar quantities, their significance and determinations, excess thermodynamic functions and their determinations. In electrochemistry, Debye-Hackel's theory of strong electrolytes and Debye-Hackel limiting law for various equilibrium and transport properties, galvanic cell, concentration cell, electrochemical series, measurement of EMF of cell and its application, fuel cell, batteries, process at the electrode, double layer at the interface, rate of charge transfer, current density, over potential, electroanalytical technique, voltammetry, polarizography, amperometry, cyclic voltammetry, ion selective electrodes and their uses. In chemical kinetics, concentration dependence of rate of reaction, differential and integral rate equation for 0th, 1st, 2nd and fractions order reactions, rate equations involving reverse parallel, consecutive and chain reactions, effect of temperature and pressure on rate constant, study of fast reactions by stop flow and relaxations method, collisions and transition state theory. Photochemistry, absorptions of light, decay of excited state by different routes, photochemical reactions between hydrogen and halogens and their quantum weight. Surface phenomena and catalysis in these adsorptions from gases and solution on solid adsorbent, absorptions isotherm like Moir and BET isotherm, determination of surface area, characteristic and mechanism of reaction on heterogeneous catalysis. Bioinorganic chemistry, metal ion in biological system and their role in ion transport across the membranes. Molecular mechanism, ionophores, photosynthesis, pH1, pH2, nitrogen fixation, oxygen uptake proteins, cytochrome and phytotoxins. Coordination chemistry. Electronic configuration, introduction to theories of bonding, transition metal complexes, valence bond theory, crystal field theory and its modification. Application of theories in explanation of magnetism and electronic spectra of metal complexes. Isomerism in coordination compound, IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound, stereochemistry of complexes with 4 and 6 coordination number, Chillet effect, polynuclear complexes, trans effect and its theory, kinetics of substitution reaction in a square planar complexes, thermodynamics and kinetic stability of complexes. Synthesis and structure of metal carbonyl, carboxylate anion, carbonyl hydrides, a metal nitrosyl compound. Complexes with atomic aromatic system, synthesis, structure and bonding in metal olefin, complexes, alkyne complexes, cyclopentadienyl complexes, coordinative unsaturations, oxidative additions, reactions, insertion reaction, fraxional molecules and their characterizations, compound with metal-metal bonds and metal atom clusters. General chemistry of block elements, lanthanides and actinides, separation, oxidation state, magnetic and spectral properties, lanthanides, contractions. Non-aqueous solvent, reactions in liquid ammonia, hydrogen fluoride, sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid, failure of solvent system concept, coordinations model of non-aqueous solvent, some highly acidic media, fluorosulfuric acid and superacid. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.